Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Fanling right now, and that's an MLR. We'll take the Eastbound line today. We'll be taking 2 Eastbound videos. I'll break it up at university. So we'll do a quick transit with an MLR first to university. We'll pick up, and I will pick up another friend at university. We'll keep going with the R train, which is going to be coming in very soon. But we'll take the MLR first, then we'll take the R train for the second video. Here's an MLR. What's the number of this train? 101. And I have my friend next to me right now, and he also have a YouTube channel. So, you want to say hi?
Well, okay, hi there.
Yeah, his name is Chris, so he doesn't really talk in his channel, but at the end of the video I'll get a card for his channel, so stay tuned for that. We'll get into this MLR at car 6 over here. We're getting there now. Car number 515. And we'll stand on the side and we'll take to university. How many stations is that? 3 stations. We'll skip forward. You want to sit over? Yeah, there you go. Now actually, I bumped into Chris today randomly on the street. So that's why we decided to film some videos together today. And we're taking some random journeys and have fun together today. It's actually very tired of actually filming it this way. So almost at Tai Wo. Wow, my hands are honestly tired, not joking. After Tai Wo, I'm standing back up. Here is Tai Wo right there, and I will give you a random card right here for one of Chris' most popular video. How many views for that video? The light rail 610 full journey one. Give you that one. So that one's the light rail full journey. His most popular video, over 1,000 views. So go ahead and check that one out. And I will be standing back up now because I'm tired. That's not an MLR. Now, according to the board, the panel right now, this is the first train, of course, arriving. And then the second train after this train is an MLR. So I'll be skipping this train. And then the third train after the next MLR is an hour train. So I'll be filming that hour train. I don't know whether it's the same hour train that me and Chris took over to Fanling today. But it's cool because it's an M train. Not M train, hour train. Here's Tai Wo Market right here, and we'll skip forward. We'll take one more station, we'll get off the next station, University. it will be all MLRs on the other side for now until our trains return from Hong Kong. After a few more turns, we're at University. Here we are at University. That's another MLR. Here's University Station. And we'll get off. University, and we'll wait for this train to leave. Okay, this train's not leaving, we'll skip forward.
Stand back from the train doors.
Remember to like and subscribe down below, click the bell so they can get notifications when I post. And click on the card up top to subscribe to Chris's channel. Go out and check him out, and he's awesome. So he filmed a lot more crazy stuff than me. So go out and check him out. Maybe he can say something right here. Yeah, go check him out. Go check him out. Yeah, go check him out. Just click the card and go check him out. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.